So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn countable and uncountable nouns. Let's get started. So first of all, what are countable nouns? Countable nouns are things we can count. We can say 1, 2, 3. So they are countable nouns. Countable noun can be counted. Like this is the example 1, 2 and 3. Examples are 1 apple, 2 apples. They are showing how many apples are there and it is countable. Another example is 1 book, 3 books. It shows that how many books are there. So there are 1 books and 3 books. Next is 1 chair and 5 chairs. This shows how many chairs are there. 1 and 5 chairs. Let's get started with another one, which is 1 student, many students. There shows how many students are there. Now they have singular and plural forms. So now it shows that the first example has 1 apple and the second has 2 apples. It shows that one is plural and second is singular. So let's move on to another one. Using countable nouns. So we use a, an with a singular noun, and the second is many, few, several. We use it with plural. Numbers 1 to 10. Examples: I have a pen. Second is she brought 3 pencils. Third is there are many cars on the road. So in these examples, it is showing that how are countable nouns and how many countable nouns are there. So first is I have a pen. It shows that there is only one noun over there. She brought 3 pencils. It shows that there is 3 pencils and which are countable nouns. There are many cars on the road. It shows that there are many cars in the roads which are 1, 2, 3 or above. So let's move on to another one. Uncountable nouns. We cannot say 1, 2 or 3 and so on in uncountable nouns. Examples: water. There are no such measurement to say that there is 1 water, 2 water or 3 water. Second is milk. It is same as water because it's a liquid. And another is rice. You cannot count how many grains are there in a rice, but you can count how many kgs it contains. So if you are counting one singular rice grain, it cannot be counted for much time. Sugar and information of advice. Sugar cannot be counted because it is same as rice. Information and advice cannot because there are many over there and it is a feeling. It cannot be counted because it's a feeling. Now there are usually have only one form, not a plural form. Only one. Let's move on to another one. Using uncountable nouns. We use some, much, little, a lot of, not, an. Examples: I need water. I need some water. There is much milk in the glass. She gave me good advice. We say a glass of water, not a water. So in this examples, it's showing that I need some water. So I need some water can be also saying that I need a water which is in a glass, or I need a glass of water. Another is there is much milk in the glass. It's saying that there is a bit too much milk in the glass and it is used by a uncountable noun. She gave me a good advice. It says that she gave me a good advice. It does not shows how many type of advice she gave, but it shows that there is a good advice, but there is no counted noun because it's a feeling. So that's why there is no uh, counting over here, but it shows that what is the class of the advice. Now let's move on. Common mistakes to advice while in uncountable and countable nouns. An advice, some advice. You don't say an advice because an advice can be said that there is only one advice. Some advice can be said because there is only one advice, but it can be meant by a many of advices over there. Two breads. Two breads cannot be said because two breads does not specify what type of bread you want. Or there is two slices of bread. It shows that what type of bread you want. If you want a loaf of a bread or a slice of a bread, it says that you want two slices of a bread. Then the third example is many water. You cannot say many water because it is the many is used in countable nouns. Much water can be much better because it shows that the water cannot be counted by ones, twos or threes. Now let's move on. Summary is of countable and uncountable noun. Countable nouns can be counted. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. It is simple. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted and countable nouns can be counted. Use correct words like an, a, many, some, much. Next is learn examples to avoid mistakes. So I gave you some examples over there. You should learn more of these examples which will make you avoid less mistakes. Thank you guys. I hope you liked our video and I hope you would subscribe and like. Share with this your friends and till then bye bye.